The law of assumption. I used to journal. I did yoga, meditations and affirmations right after waking up. At the beginning, I felt empowered, disciplined and energized. But then, unexpectedly, bitterness, loneliness and shame crept in. I started blaming the universe and finally gave up those strict habits. I realized that forced affirmations were simply a form of toxic positivity, a denial of my true emotions. Instead of getting closer to my goal, it actually felt like pushing everything away. The key to success and growth is not fulfilling certain conditions to prove that you are worthy of receiving them. It's about believing and knowing that deep down that you deserve everything unconditionally from the moment you are born. And that, my friend, is